everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout, and today I'm scrapbooking about these two photos, and these are called free little libraries. If you don't read, or even if you do read, you may not know about them. There actually is an organization across the United States for sure. There's an app called Free Little Library. It will tell you where they are in your area or in an area you happen to be in by using a map. And what they are is it's a little box out somebody's house or business, and there's shelves of books in there, and the idea is to donate one and to take one, so that you're really doing an exchange. And it's really kind of a fun thing. Sometimes I do it and I find nothing, sometimes I do it and I find lots of cool stuff. So these are two that are around my home, and I actually visited a third and forgot to take a picture of it, so I'll have to do that at another point in time. Anyway, I am mounting that on that green paper from Creative Memories. I don't remember the collection. It's an older paper. And then I'm going to use that background there, which is from Cartabella White Christmas. It's the multi-journaling cards paper, so that's a Christmas paper, which is awfully cool. And then I have that heart there that I cut from a 3x4 LE Studio card. And I loved how the colors worked with the colors in that book, the book stickers that I have here that I'm using. And those are brand new to me, so they might still even have them. I just thought the colors played really, really well. So I pulled a tag from that, and it says currently reading. And then I'm thinking about some phrase stickers. I kind of like these two little banner stickers to go somewhere, but I'm not quite sure what that is, where that's going to be. And then I did find this little sticker that says a good book and a cup of coffee, which is how I tend to read. I do drink tea. There's another one that talks about tea, but I probably drink a lot more coffee than I do tea, actually. And I'm trying to get it to stick to the photo and not the background, because I really don't have it wasn't sure if I had that glued exactly where I wanted that to yet, but it stuck to the background, so I dealt with it. I justified that all a little bit to the left to make room for that cluster on the right. Oops, we'll get that. And then I'm adding in that little coffee cup there. I love this little book stack, so I wanted to get that in, and I'm figuring that I can put my title to the right of that. And then I wanted something there because I didn't near that heart, so I'm thinking about that heart. I'm also toying with colors here. Thought I might bring in this red, because there's red in that heart, and there's a corally color in that book stack, but I thought it was too red, that the color was too dark for this. So I went and I grabbed my pink letter stickers, and I found this glitter alpha from American Craft Stickers. It's the Count the Ways alpha, so this is it was from a Valentine collection a while ago, but I don't remember what it is. So I'm going to do the little library here. And then you won't see this, but when I looked at this, I didn't want to do the free and the pink. And that is such an important part of this that I come back after I'm all done and I add a green tile alpha from LE Studio again above that says free. So the title will read Free Little Library when you see the pictures at the end. Coming back in, I'm adding some chipboard hearts here from LE Studio Heart and Star chipboard stickers, and it's the pink and red and purple. They also have a blue aqua green, navy aqua green version as well. So just I'm adding that heart in, so I'm playing around with how that all looks there. Took the little center out of the tag there. And then I added a little bookmark. I wanted a little bit more on that right side. It didn't feel complete to me. I need something at the top too, by the way, because it feels like this isn't complete, but I'm kind of playing with what's going on. There was a pair of glasses on there, and since I wear glasses, I thought I should get those on there. So I was happy to do that. And then added those 2 banners that I had looked at before to go somewhere, but decided I needed to add more to it before I did that. So then I'm going to repeat the chipboard heart here, and then it gets that cluster. The cluster looks a little bit bigger. So as I'm working with this, I know at the top there's kind of yellow in the glasses and yellow in that heart, and it's a more buttery yellow, but I don't have that anywhere else. So I'm thinking about, okay, I need to add probably some enamel dots or something. Not quite there yet. I am going to add this twine from the Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. It's just a purple twine. It comes in a big pack. I've talked about this before. And then I'm looking for a color that can work, and I end up looking at the Altenew enamel dots here. A lot of them are very bright lemony yellow versus a buttery yellow. So I did find a buttery yellow here. So I'm going to add 3 of those into each of my clusters. And sometimes I take a long time just to add one small, simple yellow enamel dot or enamel dots, period. So playing. Sometimes I'll put them out away from a cluster a little bit. Sometimes I add them right next to them. And that's what I'm doing with these. They're touching each of the cluster. Kind of depends on my mood. Sometimes I have good reasons for doing it. Sometimes oftentimes it is just my mood about how I want it to look. Okay. All right, there you go. Here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. I will be back with another layout soon, everybody. Bye.